For over a year, a broad coalition of activists, labor unions, civil rights and consumer protection organizations, and elected officials, including leading Democrats in Congress, have been urging President Biden to enact widespread student loan forgiveness. And they have argued that Biden has the legal authority to cancel student loan debt through executive action, without specific congressional approval. Biden expressed support for some form of broad student loan forgiveness during his 2020 presidential campaign. White House officials have repeatedly said that if Congress were to pass a student loan forgiveness bill, he would sign it. But no such bill appears to be forthcoming. In the meantime, Biden has focused on targeted student loan forgiveness initiatives by expanding and improving access to existing programs such as Public Service Loan Forgiveness, PSLF, and the Total and Permanent Disability, TPD, Discharge program. While the Education Department has touted over $16 billion in relief approved so far, advocates note that this amounts to a fraction of 1% of total outstanding student debt. Biden has previously expressed reluctance to act without Congress and uncertainty about whether he actually has sufficient legal authority to rely exclusively on executive action to implement widespread student loan forgiveness. But no decision has been publicly announced, and there are signs that the issue remains under consideration. Earlier this month, White House Chief of Staff Ronald Klain said, "The president is going to look at what we should do on student debt before the payment pause expires. Whether or not there is some executive action on student debt forgiveness when the payments resume is a decision we're going to take before the payments resume. If Biden does decide to enact broad student loan forgiveness through executive action, there are several potential legal paths to doing